There we go. Oh, that's loud in my ears. There. Hey, something's stuck in my nose and I don't like it. It's a starman waiting in the thing. I don't think they'd want me to get. Whatever. I'm being distracted. I'm getting distracted. I'm getting distracted. I should also tweet out that I'm live. Oh, probably should also, turn on my laptop. The one that houses the entire fucking game. That'd be useful. That would be helpful. No, if it wasn't for the fact that my second monitor thing would be blocking most of it. Oh, hello, Spooky. Howdy, B. How's it be? How you been? Let me know if the music is too loud. Also, I probably should make sure. Most likely, yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if it's not. Oh shit, I forgot to actually connect the fucking thing. Okay, let me close Lore Forge. Put that there. Because that is a separate thing that I have now. Because I'm trying to write a D&D story in One Piece world. I was not prepared for any of this. There we go. Sorry about that. I was not prepared for any of this. Oopsie, hit the microphone. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. I'm okay. Honestly, that is a fair point. Technically speaking, I had it on. Well, the broken part is on itch. Yeah, the broken part's on itch. I haven't really been able to update the. Oh, fuck off. Not you, Spooky. I meant the. The thing's not connecting. Okay, letting that load. But yeah, it's on my itch page, which I should probably link somewhere over the rainbow where bluebirds fly. Cause it's way up in. That's not the right words. Not the right thing. There we go. Itch.io. Font. Okay, let's dashboard. That's live on air. Demolition Ball. Ta-da! Oh no, that is understandable. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, I understand how that is. It is a bitch, but I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you being here. What the heck are those emotes? You right, talker. Cakes. Oh, Jesus Christ. What is hell? Who's happy Z? Alright, let me quickly do some tech work. Oh, Jesus. Did it work? Probably not. I don't know what any of that is. There we go. Well, not technically showing anything. I forgot I wasn't on the right scene. Whew. That's perfectly fine by me. I don't know what any of those are. Burp. Don't know what any of those are. Okay, let me get the project up. Today we're working on the it's technically called Demolition Dirball. Because I'm funny like that. But hey, let's go. So Spooky, how have you been? Hope you're doing good. There, you know what I can do. Boop. Now I can transition. I'm a girl now. Oh, Jesus. No idea what is end up happening. God damn it. Now you're just seeing all my stuff? No, don't look! I was gonna say that's private. Or whatever. I mean, not really. Probably shouldn't, in all honesty. Probably shouldn't. You know what I mean, chat? You know what I mean? I probably should tweet out that I'm live. I forgot about that. I forgot about it. That totally didn't freak me out. Like, how the fuck did you know my name? Oh, the cheese? I ate that. I made mac and cheese earlier. That's where the cheese went. My name wasn't. Oh, right. I forgot. My name is on the fucking itch page. I was like, how did you get my name? It's on the itch page. Plus, it's on my bio. So, of course I ate it. Why wouldn't I eat cheese? Are you telling me that I don't look like the person who would eat cheese? I am a certified cheeseman. Certified cheeseman. Where did he get all of these emotes? I was hungry. Can you really blame me? Probably, but well. Well. Exactly. If they didn't want food to be devoured, they wouldn't have made it so good. I think. Probably. To be fair, they did put it all on pizza, and pizza is my weakness, so that's on them. Our card game. Oh, why is it? Why is there a fly in my fucking face? What the fuck? Bleh. Bleh. Let me quickly. So, chat. How have you been? Actually, we can't. You can see what I have so far while I look for my stuff. Don't question the errors. Don't question the errors. It'd be nice. What's saying? One question, real quick. Yes. Oh, it's going down. Why is it going down? That's suspicious. The errors, yes. I think the reason the errors are happening is because I don't think I actually have. Oh, that's because this isn't technically open. Yeah, the errors. The errors are because. Oh! Duh! The reason we're having errors is because I don't have a controller connected. That's the only reason why we're having errors. Watch. So that number is going up. That number is going up. But if once I add a controller, That error just stops. What's this? Oh, I know what that is. That's the homeboy freaking the fuck out. See, I don't see when I learned how to make the car move, there was no physical way in me figuring out how to. Yeah, you should make a car that's just alcoholism. That seems stressful. That seems stressful. Yeah. I'm gonna comment that out and say. I should just say that should bring up an error. Oopsie. That's not what I meant to do. Actually, what did that show? Hold on. I don't know what that showed. Oh, that's not terrible. That just showed you the inner files of the other things. So, AI brain. AI brain. Brain AI. AI brain. Brain AI. Bran. 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 Brain. So.
Marco boy, are you up with extra Cool Whip?
So, brain. Yeah. Okay. Next one should be on. Okay. It's private void on trigger. Oops, it. Damn it. On trigger stay.
What the guri uratiriatariatati and yes did.
Is that the God damn it. I fucking hate. On trigger stay. If it stays for too long. Uh-oh, here we go.
War is an ugly thing, but not the ugliest of things. The decayed and degraded state of moral and patriotic feeling which thinks that nothing is worth war is much worse. The person who is nothing for which he is willing to fight, nothing which is more important than his own personal safety, is a miserable creature and has no chance.
Okay, so there is a cap. Fascinating. 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 Okay. So if other dot should be essentially this.
My calling card in some boy is every time I go looting I leave a fork in a microwave as a little present to the some boys.
She says microwave? She says microwave. Okay. We should tell it. Player. Just don't. Let's see. There are certain. This one. These. Enumerator. This one. For now. For now. That for now. And then I need to figure out what the calling is for these. This one. There we go. Wrong one. I think I'm good with the enemy file right now. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, so plan. So, plan. Microwave. Okay, so the plan we are currently trying to do. So we currently have it to where by default the enemy cart. So by default, the enemy cart I need to fix that. What? I don't. I'm confused as to what this one. It's not said it's an instance of an object. What? Shouldn't be. What? What? I don't. What? What do you mean? What do you mean, chat? I mean, what do you mean, game? What do you mean? This I'm not entirely sure why it's happening. What? I don't... I'm, a, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a tiny bit confused. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a tiny bit confused at what the fuck it means. That's the wrong one. Oh well. Hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the fucking phone. This is what's in here? That can't be. That can't be. That doesn't make any sense. That never gets turned on. Why do we have it? So then that begs the question of what sends... Oh, it's you, you motherfucker! Oh, I found it. I was wondering what the fuck it was. I know what it was. I found it. What it was. I found it. Okay, you can stay off. You can turn back on. I figured it out. Kind of, not really. Kind of, not really. Mostly because this one, I believe the one that is now currently there you are. This son of a bitch is in the wrong place. Look. Let me fix that, Ellen. You some bitch. You some bitch. Come on, come on. There we go. Ha ha. There we go. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Fixing errors that I caused. What's happening? What? Hold on. This would be here. That's for the wrong thing. Bum 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 ba-dum bum. Bum 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 ba-dum bum. Bum 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 ba-dum bum. Sorry, I'm zoning out with this music. This music is making me zone out. It's not intentional. Why is it so sultry? Now this is the one. Video game music to jam while doing your taxes. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. I still don't know what any of that means. These are two different ones. These are the same error. Okay, I want that one. How much that one? That one is fixed. Now it's fixed. Now it's fixed. Very strange. And it's this one. The variable double has not been assigned. Double? What do you mean? I guess I probably should play it. Be like, hey, what the fuck is going on? What are you saying? Oh. It's the same 8. This one I'm okay with. It is being weird. That one's being weird. Hey, honeydew! Oh! So this... I don't know why that's... Oh, because it's not picking up. Uh-oh. Why are you not picking up? Is it because I need to back into it? No, I don't. It's weird. Uh-oh. That's not good anymore. Okay. So obviously, you as ball are not even the right one. It's just all this. It's all this. So if we do shaboing, they just stop. Wild. Spooky, meet honeydew. Honeydew, meet spooky. Fascinating. So I was creating the AI brain, and that's why. I think that's the right tag for it. Let's find out. Ew. Actually, if I just turn this off, take off hold object for just all of them, and the only thing that's there is the thing. Have this be 3. Have Tink, Car, or this and that be the corresponding ones. Let's find out. What does your AI brain do? Well, the goal was to have it to where okay, so that was supposed to why is that a random one? Why the hell? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay, so clearly something's up with this. But to answer your question, so the AI, this son of a bitch, was supposed to head towards the player, and once it hits the player, or if the ball is anywhere near the blue cart or the enemy cart, it then turns to the ball and ignores me, essentially. But I'm running into some issues. I'm running into some very wacky issues. Pretend that I'm a rubber duck. I mean, if only, right? Haha. Hee. Aha. Aha. Interesting. Mm-hmm. So. Okay. So, in the AI brain, you have various spots. You have 2 targets, the player target, and then the ball. I call target because that's easier to think. I know, I know what you mean, the rubber duck debugging. I know what you meant. I'm more just trying to figure out how to explain it. Trying to figure out how to explain it. Because I also realize I might have to just ignore the models part and always have the one model and instead make 3 separate ones that it can cycle between. Because they are all gonna have to have their own different brains, because there's 3 different characters, which is understandable. But to explain it, essentially at the start of every game, the player or the enemy cart is moving towards the player. He's moving towards the player. Then the actually, I am just gonna just do that. Oh, fuck off. You don't need to do that. This can just legitimately fuck right off. Okay, so this would forever just be on, because I have everything to that. There's ball and hold object, of which all has nothing. Never mind. Take that off. It's more for just do the thing. And this is what I've been working with the most. Oh, is there an error somewhere? 20. Uh-oh. Oh, that's annoying. What? Hun, what are you talking about? No, don't tell me. Oh, I'm an idiot, because this is. Oh, I'll put that untagged. I'm an idiot. Duh. Duh. That's why that was happening. That's why that's still happening? Oh, I guess I have to just say for all of them, because that's weird. What are you doing? Oh, I know why. Duh. Because it's still, not sent to an instance of anything. Ah, it's a guiding missile! Hold on. Let me fix the dumbass error. It's purely just for aesthetic. And then fix this one. Okay, that's golden. It should be wiped. Okay. Start of the thing. Enemy card goes towards this. Don't know why that's like that. No, I really should just. Oh, I'm an idiot. You know what I probably should do? Set speed to 0 instead of player to null. I should set the speed to 0 so it literally just stops moving. Jeff is just a funny. It's just a funny name that I did because I couldn't think of anything else. To answer all your questions, why the player, not the ball? The player is the enemy to the enemy. And usually when the player is like trying to get the ball, and so we need something to knock the ball out of the player. The reason, if the enemy player gets close to the ball, it will go toward the ball and try to pick it up. If it picks it up, that's another thing. If enemy picks up ball, try to score. That's a thing I'm trying to figure out. Ironically, I did write that down already. Ironically, I did write that down. So that goes there. And that one's fixed. That's a separate thing. And then I realize I'm gonna need a private void on trigger exit. Appreciate you. If you get out of the player, you set your speed back to speed. Well, let's just say 5. 5 for now. Yeah. We have on trigger enter, on trigger stay, and on trigger exit. The reason we do that is because if the void hits the ball, then it picks it up. Or then the Jeff would be... No, if it's in the frame of the ball. Also, I realize... I realize it might be for the spear. Yeah. So this is gonna have to ignore the cart. Does that not count? Like, this exists. That is strange. Okay. So that's strange. And then there's also this shit that I'm very confused on, that I don't understand why is happening. Because this has to do with the Hasball, which Hasball is all this shit. And it was working long ass time ago, but it's now not, and I'm not entirely sure what happens. What happens if you click it? Click what? The error? It takes me to this, and it says, hey, this is the issue. This line is the issue. But there's literally nothing in it that is giving an error, and I know it's just the hasball function, which I'm now technically realizing. Technically... No, it's more just this. Is being a bitch. Because it's all just these. And then another issue is I'm not entirely sure why the player isn't being able to pick up the... Isn't being able to pick up the... Ah! That's probably why. It's like, what are you talking about? What ball? Goddamn. I'm an idiot. Line 50 is essentially saying if the enemy has the ball, by enemy I mean like player 2 has the ball, and they get into the point, they score the point. Is that what that was? Quadrants, checkpoints, this one, points. I swear to God, if that was the issue, I'll be upset. Not sets are a reference of an object. What is it? Oh, I'm an idiot. That is because this doesn't have anything. So I'm just gonna delete that for this one. That's because this isn't set to anything. And thus, I think I should just turn this on. That way this can be player 2. So that should, yep! There we go. That was the issue. I figured it out. Haha! Because it just occurred to me that it's player 2 activated. Therefore, the other player. I'm an idiot. Remember, if you edit it in play mode, it doesn't save. That is correct. I appreciate you saying that, actually. Because I completely forgot about that. I appreciate you saying that. Ring 1, ring 2, ring 3. Aminos. Actually, I don't even need to have this on. I just need to switch it to player 2. Pretty sure. Because it basically needs to say, hey, what's player 2? Or does it actually need it to be on? It needed to be on. Okay. That's annoying. But not too big of a deal. Boom. As will be here, it's better managed there. Okay. So, therefore, no more issues. There should no longer be any issues. What? Yeah, because the other one's supposed to be that. And then this one's supposed to be everything but that. So that's confusing. But that's not terrible. That's not terrible. It's annoying, but not terrible. The real question is why is it those seven specifically? Okay, so top one, variable has no spawns. That explains what that is. So what is spawns? Spawn is just spawn 1, 2, 3, and 4. No, don't question what it is. That the reason it's that is because it's for, I think, spawners. Yeah, it's this, so. Appreciate you, Honeydew, for telling me. You can make it so the editor turns red or something in play mode for easy to tell if you're in it. I'm aware. I used to do that, but it's like It's more just out of habit. I'm more of just testing things. Is there any more errors? I don't think so. So now there should be 6 errors. Four, 5, 6, 7, 7. Uh, you fucking happy? You fucking happy, editor? No, you need a thing about a thing about a thing. Yay, fucking finally. What am I gonna do with this? I have genuine no idea. Genuine confusion. But it shouldn't be terrible. Get this here. Bop. Okay, so now my next biggest question. Oh! Because it wasn't working before. That explains why. Oh my god, there's 2 of them! There's 2 of them! Why is there 2 of them? What did I hit? I don't know what I hit. What did I hit? What did I hit? Oh no, why is there... Actually, why is there 2? Oh no. So there's these 3. And then this one. Uh... What? I'ma just delete that. Okay, that was the wrong one. Well, maybe. Because this was mostly... I'ma just delete that for now. And then look at Homegirl. What? Body 2. Oh, I know why. It's because it's like, what is body 2? It's because of this. It's like, what's this? It's like, how dare you tell me something is not something? How dare you? How dare you? I know what you are. You're... So, from the looks of it, I don't think I'm really going to be able to have stay. Because... from the looks of it... No, let's go boing. Call it boing. Wait 3 seconds. Yesh. It's called this. Boing. It's Bing. Call this boing. Capital B this time. Capital B. Smart. So, it'll immediately speed was be set to 0. Wait 3 seconds. Then get set back to 5. Get set back to 5. Obviously, that's not really going to be much of a change, but let's find out. Still not sure why the other thing wasn't working. Had to figure out why. Being weird. I forgot the proper tag of duh. It wasn't really anything to call it into existence. Duh. I mean, it. Don't question the chat. Don't question it. Don't question it. I don't think the script is working. You know, it would be very nice if I could figure out how to have... whatever. If I could figure out how to have the... It's very strange and why that just drops back down. I appreciate you, Unity, for letting me do the thing. That I'm trying to do. Big brain moves. Big brain moves. Okay, so I lost track of where I was. 0. I realize it might be dealing in milliseconds. It might be dealing in milliseconds. Hold on. It might be dealing in milliseconds. Am I using the right one? Okay. No, I wasn't. No, I was not. I was not in the slightest. I was not in the slightest. Okay. So that means if the player character gets into the sphere, the touch sphere of any kind, it should then succeed. So we'll find out. Ignore the errors. If that's something else. It should go until it bounces, stops. Why aren't you? Oh, because. Yeah. So instead of 3 seconds, to have it 1 second. I forgot it wasn't actually saving it when I entered this. Okay. So then that means chat. That means oh no, we're playing a game. Haha, shit. Gotta go. Oh no. Okay, so half a second is better. Because it's supposed to be. Ba 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 booey. Ba 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 booey. Ba 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 booey. Yeah, woo! I don't know why there's a circle. Don't question it. Ah! Okay, here's another thing. So. It's because there's no second player. Interesting. So the reason it's having these errors is because there's no second player. Technically, there would be no second player. This is supposed to be the second player, but because it's being a whiny bitch. It's like, let's second player. My question is, why is it saying what? I'm genuinely confused on why is it saying what. No idea. Ooh, spooky. Yay. Am I not? Do I not? Oh, do I just not have the ability to do that? Yeah, at least. Oh, I have it. Okay, so. This thing, that's annoying. That's what that one is. Oh, is it the type of thing where it's like, huh, what? No, that's correct. See, I don't understand why this one is having errors, but we should probably play into the test of. Play into the test of. That probably wasn't what I meant to do. Of getting near the ball, which is that way. Oh, right. I forgot about that. I forgot the fucking entire thing just needs a stay on the fucking ground. I don't even remember what the fucking arrow was. What's 50? Okay, I don't understand what the issue is. Oh, on collision stay. Oh, That then probably begs the question of. So then the next question is. So since it's chasing me, I'm trying to get it to. Okay. Is it gonna choose me? It's gonna choose me right now. E. Don't choose me. It should choose. Okay. It should immediately choose that. And the reason this is because the ball essentially has a collision thing to where essentially it's saying not set to an object of anything, option of anything. Essentially, if it's continuously colliding, generally saying if it's continuously colliding, because collision. Oh. It's all true. Oh, okay. It's because The reason is because it's not setting the has ball thing to true on specifically this one. For whatever reason, specifically you, it says the has a ball is checked, but it's technically not doing anything. Because if has ball is true, then you should be. It should probably be here. Has ball. And somewhere of if has ball equals true. If has ball we double equals. If has ball equals true, then XYZ. That XYZ would then be would then end up having to be make the target equal null. Not necessarily null, but null for right now. But null for right now. That should then stop it from just glitching out. That should then just stop it from glitching out. Does that make sense? I think that makes sense. Okay. So that's set to an object, reference to an object? What do you mean? Oh. Duh. Up. Okay. Okay, then it should have stopped. And this should have stopped. Oh, it did stop. Did stop? Up. Press wrong button. Where did the ball go? That way. Yee. Oh yeah, you can't go backwards with the ball. Mostly because, it's being weird. Okay, it should be here. Should be there. What happens? Okay, interesting. That should be deleted. So why is it still in the air? Oh, I'm an idiot. I realize the has to be game object. It has to be this. One moment. Ah, it's scratchy. Okay. Yeah. Because the hasball was to call the script. And technically, with what I had before, it's just saying the script is true. That's why it was having such an error. Because then the next thing. Sorry, scratch. Because then the next thing you'd want to do. It's already been an hour 30. Holy shit. Because then the next thing you'd want to do is once that is working, have it go around in a circle. And that's the next issue because I don't know how to do that. And I'm not a programmer. But it's technically working. So I'm technically a programmer. Y'all hire me. Don't actually. I'm not very good. And I don't even know how to get better because it's a lot of words, man. It's a lot of words. I would have been devastated if I spilled my water on my laptop. I would have been devastated. Oh, what? What? Line 30. Did I use the wrong thing? There's no errors that is like, yeah, that's not errors. It's not sets an instance of an object. And it's doing it every second because it's whiny ass bitch. It's because it needs to be in this direction. This general direction. And of course it's not doing that because it's doesn't actually have a reference to as ball. Interesting. Maybe I should give it a reference to Hasbro. I should probably give it a reference to Hasbro. I probably should have done the thing. Hold on. Okay, let me turn off this. There we go. Oh, wait, so this Hasball is from this bitch. There we go. There we go. I mean, it's calling upon itself, so it's all good in the hood. Now, if I can figure out how to have like one of them machine learning skills. Ha ha! Ha ha! Ha ha! Ha ha! Line 26. Line 26. What is line 26? 26. Oh, because it's like because I erased its brain. I'm like, what the fuck is the target? This thing. I did it, chat. I did it. I figured it out. I figured it out. Let's go. Let's go. So, instead of it doing this, I'm not exactly sure in how to make a list. I'm not exactly sure in how to make a list. Because then the next thing would be to make a list, you check it twice, you're gonna find out who is naughty or nice. And Santa Claus is coming to town. So, my next plan was to have, instead of this, I would have it to essentially uh pick a random number out of a list around in a circle, which I don't exactly know how to do. Is that's something out of my skill range? Because that was something out of my skill range, and that is something I can't talk to a rubber duck about. But I appreciate you, Honeydew, for letting me know, for helping me with that. Excuse me. Oh, weird. That was off the entire time, but I'm still getting audio from it. That's weird. I don't understand why that's happening. Because it's. Hmm. So. Because then I need to change the objective of the target. So then. I don't think I would be able to change to have it the target set to player. Can I? Let's find out. Is that how that works? Is that how that works? No question why that was blinking. Is that how that works? Eep. Oh no. Hit. Oh no. Damn it. Not trying to do that. Okay, so instead of that, it will be set. Let's see what. Set object variable. That's the value of an object variable. So it's just set object. So what is the there? I feel like there is a way to change the game object. Read only. I don't know how that works. I don't know how that works. And that's outside of my expertise. And yeah, that's outside my expertise. And I'm pretty sure these are because my laptop's all buggy. But chat, if you want to see uh the entire game essentially outright, I'll show you the entire game. Save, please. I'll show you the entire game. Hmm. All right. I forgot it does that. Forget it does that now. Yeah, because I realize. Whoopsie. So I fucked up. And we're just gonna call it title car. Because that's gonna end up having to be the new this thing. Because I fucked up and essentially changed all of this. Add this to there. That can fuck right off. Because then now the next things is these. Let's see. The scripts. I need. Okay, so spin first off. I realize I probably should have. Oh, okay. That wasn't too difficult, to be honest with you. Alpha. Y'all funny. Y'all funny. So, me is also random enemy. Let's go random enemy. Beep. And then boop. This one is what? Just a blue car. Cool. Title car. And then Y1. Spin 100. I'll show you what it does in a moment. Howdy. It's currently not working. Why are you not spinning? Sir, please stop that. Please stop that. Thank you. Jesus Christ. Okay, why are you not spinning? Oh. Because I am an idiot. It probably should be in there for it to, you know, want to spin. Is this... You know, technically I could just... No, well, Okay, all of that was removed. Interesting, interesting. So this... should now spin. I don't know why it wasn't. But howdy, Son Goku. How's it be? There it is. I don't, I don't, I don't think that's how that's supposed to work. I don't think that's how that's supposed to work. So that's the speed. So that's the speed. Let's go 0.1. So from the looks of it, I think there it is. There it is. It's because this is supposed to be set to 0, 0, 0, and this is only slightly off. Yep. If they're both supposed to be set to 0, and since they're not set to 0, let's see, we'll make this one up by 0.2. But how do you do, Son Goku? How was your streams? Maybe if I make him 0, would that be fine? Oh, that'd be perfectly fine. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. I appreciate you. Whew. Then we start. They both are being looked at that. This one doesn't have the enemy card, but you're supposed to grab it. Has no errors because I'm not entirely sure why. But ta-da. Oh, that was terrible. So boing. Oh crap. It's not the very best, like no one ever was, but try them. Also, haha, it's not doing this because fuck you. Haha, haha, hee hee, hoo hoo. I actually got the scoring system to work. Legitimately works too. I mean, that's fairly fine. We all need a vacation, and I'm glad you were able to take one. But that grind don't stop. Don't stop, won't stop. That's how the spewing works. And honestly, I'm trying to figure out how the single player works, but it doesn't essentially work for me very well. But ta-da! Ta-da! I was gonna bring it full player, but full screen, but that's not how that works. But ta-da! What I can do, though, on technicality, is if technically if gamepad equals 0. Oh yeah, this should bring up an error. Which then would be time set 0. Or I guess time dot delta time. It would be time dot delta equals 0. Not entirely sure. Don't know if that'll work, to be honest with you. Time? How does this work? I don't know how this works, to be honest with you. I don't know how the time dot delta time works. It's confusing. It's confusing. It's confusing. So, I'm gonna take a quick break. Because it has been an hour 48 minutes. I haven't had a break. So I'm gonna take a quick break. I appreciate you all. I'm gonna go get some more water. I am back. How long has the music been gone? How long has the music been? How long has the music been off? What? How long has the music been off? How come nobody told me? How come nobody told me? I look like a fool. But no, yeah, else it'll be specifically that. You can click right off. Be this. Time that delta time. And then I need to make. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Public game object, not pause button, but error page. Error page. Capital P for page. I don't know why it likes that. The first case lower, second case upper. Not entirely sure why. But it's fancy. It's fancy, fancy. It's fancy, fancy. So, show. Show chat. Show chat. Let's see. My brain is starting to slow down. So then it will be this. Okay, then this is gonna be an issue, I realize. Because if gamepad is connected, then error page equals active. That's just more for formality. Because then this would be inactive, deactive, and then error capital P A G. Actually, make this one true. True. Yeah, you can fuck around for this one right now. There is an is command. Is current. Oh, there's an issue with this one is. Just active is activated. Does that mean? Okay, I'm sorry. What? Okay, what is so okay, gamepad.current.is actuated. Okay. What does that mean? Let's see. And then Visual Studios has like a learn thing of what tells what it is. It does. So, okay, it's an extension. It's a bool of is actuated, the float threshold is that. Return type if the given control is actuated. What the fuck is actuated? What does that mean? What does that mean? I'm curious on the make current. That one's I'm curious about it. Make the gamepad the current gamepad. What does that mean? What does that mean? Pause haptics. That's to make the controller vibrate. Right shoulder. That's the button type. Set up. To string. Try to get child to control. That's not how things work. My thumb hurts. I mean, if anything, I could just... If gamepad... Now I just need to figure out what to do for the... Yeah, they wouldn't be here. Why is it set to that one? No idea. Why is it set to that one? No idea. Okay, you're gonna have a new separate... Oh, Christ. Oh, Christ. Well, technically speaking, I just need a new UI image. That's just, you know, cover the whole screen. 980. 1080. It would be 920, wouldn't it? Why is it like that? Yeah, this one, technically speaking, is like that. Yeah, this one is annoying. Because now... For whatever reason, it decides to just say, hey, yo, you got an error. Connect the controller, yo. There we go. I don't know why it does that. Disable. It's a controller. It's a controller. Not controller. Oh. Well, technically it's both controller and a controller. Technically speaking. So, default off. And then I could put you right here. I could call you error. Which then means I'll just pay maximize actually. Boop. So once I figure out how to stop the time, cause oh. Yeah, that's not surprising. Because that will be only if that's presed. Is it presed? No? Cool. Yeah, that's not going to be working for right now. It's not gonna be working right now. Because I don't exactly know how to say, hey, is a gamepad connected? I had a thing with it where it said that. Not sure where that went. Not sure where that went. Okay. Hmm. I do apologize for not talking. I'm thinking. But I also realize I can speak out loud. I have a problem not doing that. So, chat, you're gonna be my rubber duck. So you're gonna be my rubber duck. I have a couple issues that I'm currently working through. Issue one: if the controller, for example, if the controller isn't connected, if the controller isn't connected, all it has is errors. All it has is errors, right? All it has is errors. Very simple. What I want is if it has an error, if it gives that, if a gamepad, if a controller isn't connected, it shows up the Mario like, oh, there's an error. Oh no. Connect the controller. It connects the controller. Boom. I feel like there's a thing that I had somewhere that let me do that. That let me figure that out. I don't know where that would have gone. Drop ball, hold, knockback, lasso, minimap, no. Also, minimap is another thing that I wanted to figure out because I need to figure out how to know where things are in the map. Because there will be 3 points where the ball is, where the players are, and where the players are. Pause menu, player manager. Maybe. Actually, maybe. This might be what this is. Player manager. Error. Well, it's multiplayer technically. Well, I should probably put this up. I need to figure out what the fuck it is. Controller connected. Now it's not the correct one. Oh yeah, it is low. Because I need this to be on a separate entirely different computer. Random score spawner spewing tutorial. AI enemy brain. No. Input. No. Scoring test. That's something else. So that would be this one. That's not correct. So that doesn't happen anymore. That's fascinating. That's fascinating. That genuinely is fascinating, I'm not gonna lie to you. It did. Yes, it did. I don't know why it didn't. I don't know why it was that. I don't know why it was like that. Anyway, remove component. Yeah, because for this one, it's controller connected, controller type connected. Now, if the controller is connected. No idea. Bleh. I had a character select screen, but I realized that's a lot of work to create 3 characters back to back. I need to make sure one is correct. One is correct. For now. For now. Okay, it's been 2 hours, and I think that I'm ready to end the stream. Because now I'm a little stuck on where to go next. So, backtrack. The enemy AI is technically working. If you want to be technical, I just realized. Would you? No, it only has the 2. Would I? I don't know. It's weird. Unless. I swear to God, if that was the reason it was causing errors, I'm gonna be so pissed. No errors, no errors, no errors, no errors, no errors. There's still errors. God damn it. Oh well, that's fine. I'm not really too upset by that. So, chat. Thank you so much for joining me on this. That's a different one. That's a different error. That's a different error. But still the same one. But less. Only in the start and the end. Interesting. Why? I don't exactly know. What are you upset about? Oh, because Hasball is saying, I'm not the Hasball. What do you mean? Because it's this one. No, it does the thing as going through everything. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why it does that. That annoys the shit out of me. But whatever. 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 Chat. I don't know. I generally don't know. It's essentially the exact same thing, just whatever. Okay. Chat. My brain is starting to slow down, and the social bar is depleting. So I appreciate all of you for being here. I'm going to end the stream, go to bed. Probably not go to bed. Sorry, my nose is all stuffed and I hate it. I get a lot of mucus in the back of my fucking nose or back of my throat, and it's annoying. So, chat. I'm going to end the stream, relax a bit, maybe edit some clips. The next clip will be Saturday. And plan out the next stream. Thank you all for watching. Follow my social medias and all that. You can also follow me on YouTube where I post YouTube videos, and I'm not very good at it, but I'm trying to post more gameplay videos outside of here. That way it'll be fun. Follow my Twitter. Find out life stuff. And all that jazz. So thank you all for joining me. Hope to see y'all again next time. And as always, keep smiling. Don't forget to be a little crazy. And hasta luego. Hasta luego. Mwah. Bye, everybody. Join us Sunday for when we do more Paper Mario 1000-Year Door. Woo! Let's go, chat. Whew. Also, any last questions before they end the stream? Or say now or forever hold your peace? No? Cool.